Hello traders, here's another video on September 15, 2021, another exhibit on how to make 1000% profit trading QQQ option on expiration. If you haven't been around for a while, we made a previous video on how to make 900% on QQQ. So that theme, you can put whatever percentage that you want on there and QQQ can deliver for you. We teach you that here at Successful Trading. So today, the option that we're using are the 376 calls on here. That's just as an example, right? You could pick 377, whatever your profit level on those options will be a function of just your entry. What I want to bring to you here is the chart of the option, right? So I'm getting this from Power E-Trade. As many of you have asked, hey, does TradingView provide option chart? No, this is coming. So this is a separate view window on here. And as I say that, I just lost my window for QQQ, the chart of the stock. So I'm going to bring it back on here very quickly, such that you are not confused on that. So here's the chart of the stock itself. So the stock QQQ opened today at 375.73, went down for the first hour or so, then recapture VWAP before actually rallying, starting at some 9:15 Pacific time or 12:15 Eastern time all the way. So how many points were gained on here? 374.50 all the way to 378.34. So about 4 points thereabout. So that run of 4 points, it's what generated this massive payout here on the 376. So meaning the stock was at 374. If you employ our technique that we teach, plus or minus how many points? 2.5 points, right? So that will have given you a strike price of 377. So actually, you will not have been that far off. So the 376 on here, patience. Look at here. This is the opening, right? So it's open at 96, then drop all the way to 12 cents here, 19 cents. I think the best, actually, there was a one of the candles on here where this contract is worth 10 cents. The timestamp is at the bottom here. Let's see here if we can see it. My focus doesn't allow me to do that. So each candle here is 15 minutes. So the timestamp on here, as I'm looking at here, this is 11. Okay, here we go. I got it. It's 11:45 Eastern. Here is the opening of that candle. 15 cents open, close 16 cents, high 16 cents, of low of 10 cents. And it was exactly 11:45 Eastern on that candle on there. So from that point on, look at the rally. The scale doesn't do justice on here. If I zoom in a little bit, so 11:45, and it just kept going up and up and up. So at this stage, right? So let's say you enter this trade here because you know how to do technical analysis, for instance, you will have still be able to make money, right? So here from 360 opening here, even at the close on here, let's say you got this when it closed 0.92. This contract went all the way to $2.33. So let's see the type of profits on here. As you know, let me bring the calculator. So imagine ideal world, because you specialize, you know how to trade that, or because you want to learn how to do that by coming to Successful Trading and learning from us. So 10 cents entry, 15 cents entry, whatever, 33 cent entry, let's even say 15 cents entry. So 233 minus 0.15 divided by 0.15 to get the percentage gain. So yeah, a 13 bagger. So that's it. Imagine you got only half of this, not too bad. But imagine even if you get, let's say, a third of this, it will not have been such a bad trade. On expiration day, folks, where you control your risk and you are able to just apply this technique over and over again. That's what we do here at Successful Trading. So I'm looking forward to coaching more traders on how to make 1000% or whatever percent that you so desire trading QQQ on expiration day. Until then, have a great day, have a great evening. We catch you on the next episode. Bye-bye.